Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how I make Iggle Piggle from In the Night Garden. I'll be using Couture sugar paste with added Tylo and colours are all Sugarflair brand. To start, you'll want to mix two different types of blues, one darker than the other, and first I'll make the torso. You want to roll two small sausages and put them both together and try to keep the seam as straight as possible. Poking two dimples where the thighs will be. Then moving on to the arms and the same thing, rolling two sausages and mixing together. Then pinching towards the end to form the hand, and using a scalpel to just mark out the thumb, and using a little bit of water just sticking onto the shoulder. Then repeat with the next arm. Moving on to the legs, same method of rolling two colours. Again, add a touch of water and using a long kebab skewer, pushing all the way through the torso. Pushing one leg on and then the next. I also used a cocktail stick through the other leg just for a bit of support. Now to cut out the blanket using red sugar paste. I also used the stitching tool to put the markings between the blue on all of the body and then around the blanket. This just gives it a little bit more detail. I couldn't quite get the right shape to start with, so I ended up making the blanket a bit smaller. Once you're happy with the shape, just attach using water and then fold the arms over. Then using the Dresden tool and just mark out the inner elbow area. For the head, he has a darker patch of blue on a bit of a wonk on top of his head. So I just mix these two, roll it together, and then shape the face. Again, attaching with a little bit of water and then using the stitching tool across the two blues. Then marking out the eyes and the nose. I actually redid the nose because I did a bit too low. The nose is a slightly darker blue, and then marking in the eyes and the mouth. Here I add a touch of black just to give it a bit more definition, and then adding on the black pupils. Then to finish Iggle Piggle, he has 4 strands of red sticking out from his head as his hair. And that's Iggle Piggle complete. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe.